Yeah, be me, and one day if when you come, you could have bring some of your friend them, cause you dog them
I'm
there.
sure say your friend them don't ugly, you know, cause my friend them don't like ugly boy.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, girl. Yeah, man, tell him to big with that big body girl left to me. Make him a big body girl for me, dog.
But you know, be no bother foul, no bother foul, no bother foul. You don't make things bad for me, dog.
9 p.m. On the 5th to 6th of July 1910, about the 30th century, there were two dead men fighting. One with a gun and the other with a knife. The one with the knife fired several shots hitting the other one in his right breast. The one with the gun stabbed him in his back belly. A deaf-earing police was nearby and said I heard the conflict. A dumb-speaking man asked the question, what was that? A blind-seen man said I see the conflict. The dead one was taken to the Kingston Public Hospital and the live one to the dead house by a parking car. He fell to the ground.